Dear Mr. President,
What are you doing?
sending a video letter to the President.
He won't listen to a cow.
Why not? You know, in India, cows are holy.
Holy? Really? Why is that?
I don't know. I think it has something to do with how many stomachs we have.
We have more than one stomach? How many?
Not sure exactly. More than one, but less than 10, I think.
No wonder we're so fat.
Exactly. Now, may I continue?
Please do.
Dear Mr. President, on behalf of cows everywhere, let me be the first to...
Tell them about our udders.
I'm getting to it. Please talk to the farmers of America. Ask them to use some lotion on their hands.
And cut their fingernails.
We may be made of leather, but we're sensitive down there.
That's our privates.
We don't mind sharing the milk. We just want to be milked the way that you would milk a human.
Less jerking and yanking, more gently caressing.
Sincerely, Jeff the cow.
And Pete.
You want to go eat some grass?
Sure.